Brian Bowersock, the Automan, here today. Today we're talking about when your vehicle may not start. Although it's highly unlikely today with today's computer-controlled vehicles, we have a lot less no-start failures, but it can happen. Number one that we often see cause this problem is a battery. Your battery should be being checked regularly by whoever serviced your vehicle. At the West Automotive Group, every time you come in for an oil service or any other service, we typically check the battery for you, give you a status report on it, keep you from being stuck somewhere. Number two can be anything electronic on the vehicle, all the way down to a starter motor failure. There can be numerous different things causing a vehicle not to start, and some of the questions we often ask are, do you just turn the key and it doesn't crank over? Does it crank and not start? Those kind of things help us determine what's kind of going on with the vehicle to get a technician to diagnose it properly. A couple other things we do see though are incorrect key used. With today's chipped keys, if you use an incorrect key, the vehicle won't start. It won't even crank over. The theft system will prevent it from happening. And sometimes people have keys that have not been programmed for some reason, or they're to another vehicle of the same kind, and therefore the vehicle won't start. Make sure and check these small things, proper key, etc., before giving us a call.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.